What keeps you motivated naman?
What keeps me motivated is seeing na ginagamit yung product. So, kasi kung makikita mo naman yan, kung hindi ginagamit yung product and then you're not getting feedback, then yun yung parang madi-discourage ko. And for me, feedback or parang, let's say, kahit na reklamo pa yun, is still a feedback. Negative or positive feedback is welcome. So, I welcome that. And that keeps me motivated to make sure to get the products and then improve my service.
Oh, I very much like these answers. Ako rin personally, ang dami kong natututunan now. What keeps you motivated naman?
Every time I see messages sa Facebook saying thank you po sa, especially from kasambahays, na thank you po sir, nakahanap po ng trabaho, bait ng nahanap pong amo, maraming salamat. So every time I see those messages, mga anecdotes talaga from kasambahays. May mga homeowners na nagsasabi, "Oy, thank you, nakahanap."
Oo.
Pero more on the kasambahay part,
Ah.
nakahanap sila ng much needed work talaga.
Oo.
Yun yung thing that
Oo.
keeps us going.
Grabe, tsaka sa startup talaga na you're really making change.
What keeps you motivated?
Yeah, you know what keeps me motivated? Yeah, I guess for me personally, I'm just so excited whenever we push new product. Now, whenever we do something new in the world, that's my personality. That's how I get up in the morning. Like, oh, there's this new feature we can add. Oh, there's this new partnership. So yeah, that's how I know. That's where I get my energy. So yeah.
Sure talaga.
Ayun.
What keeps you motivated naman?
So, for me personally, of course, what keeps us motivated is nakikita namin na nandito talaga yung problem, and especially just this year, if you keep up with the news, ang daming cyber attacks
Actually,
na
true.
nangyayari.
Actually.
So,
May mga super big nga, even sa mga corporations.
Yeah.
Mga,
so it doesn't matter kung government ka, private.
government din pala.
Oh, it doesn't matter kung government ka, kung private entity ka. It doesn't matter if you're just a startup or kung big corporation ka na. As long as you hold user data and other sensitive data, then you'll be susceptible to hacking incidents or any data breach. So nandun talaga yung problem, and gusto talaga namin we really want to be there at the forefront to help people. So kaya nga Sikuna din. So just a background sa name ng Sikuna, it's a combination of the word sec or security and una as in first. So
Okay.
yun yung pinaka main value namin. We want to instill na security should always be a priority for everyone, not just for us.
Security una. Ayun, thank you so much. Last question. What keeps you motivated pala to do the startup?
What keeps you motivated? Di mo pwede sabihin pera. Kasi,
Para mabuhay.
kailangan yung pera para mabuhay. Pero other than that, gano'n pa rin sa mission ko na yung babalik pa rin sa mission na wala pa kami sa point na yung pag sinabi nating power, high. Yun yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Pag sinabi natin, pag sinabi natin internet, PLDT converge.
Oh.
So, ganun level din ng high.
Oh.
Sinabi natin power.
Tsaka pag sinabing portable power, ayan, doon tayo napasok din.
Yes.
Pag ganun, hive. Pwede.
Diba?
Ayun. Last question, what keeps Burkett motivated pa?
I think Burkett is motivated pa rin to help small and medium enterprises to cater. Kasi hindi kami pipili kung anong klaseng business
Inclusive.
na meron kaya. Very inclusive si Burkett. Startup ka man or matagal ka na, we are welcoming you in Burkett, and you are welcome to market your products, promote your products. And with Burkett, i-help ka rin namin in promoting your businesses. And yeah, as Burkett, like one of the vision ni Burkett is to help the visibility and discoverability of business.
What keeps you motivated?
Wow!
Or what's your motivation in further questions, ha?
Wow, what keeps me motivated?
Motivation in developing the product.
Development of the product. Sige, in development of the product, kasi it's like
sorry kung ano, kasi I'm one of the developers eh. So kaming dalawa, no, medyo, sorry to say kung I didn't mean to brag, parang na madali namin siya nagawa. Pero yung ano, since gamay nga namin, parang at the end of the day, maganda yung tech, pero yung application niya sa farmers, parang hindi. So ano nga ulit yung tanong? No, wala ako.
Motivation. So,
Yung motivation is parang madalian lang yung pag-create ng product.
yeah, tsaka
ng
siguro
application.
i-ano lang natin kasi you're really staple which is software development, data science
Yes.
company, and you're expert in the technology.
Yes, technology expert.
So ngayon, siguro yung parang bridging the gap nung paggawa ng technology and solving the problem. And somehow maybe it motivates you now na parang once you've built the tech, expert in the tech, you need to build in the expertise of the actual application sa agriculture.
Yun, parang ganun na rin yung idea. So, pero yung going back ulit, yung what keeps you motivated, thank you, bigla ko na naalala. Ayun, yung ano lang talaga, yung parang, kumbaga sa industry, halimbawa kami, computer scientists kami, we are programmers. Pag kami, nag-develop kami, programmers, may hirapan kami to build a tech. Pero dito, parang napapadali kami, at the same time, parang may something in return din sa amin. Ganun din naman pag nagtatrabaho kayo.
Yeah,
Parang may return din. Pero for me, siguro sa experience ko, may mahirap. Dito naman, madali. May konting hirap. Syempre, sa side na ng ano yun. Pag-solve ng problem. Kaya parang ganun pa rin. So, why not, di ba? Ikaw na rin maging boss. Ganun.
But despite that, sir, what keeps you motivated to do?
Okay. Number one, yung mga customer natin. So, we want to provide them a good quality laundry experience. So, we are motivated kapag narinig namin sa kanila na nakikita namin na they are happy with our product and there are, sinishare nila sa mga friends nila na ay, sa kabilang Patlang Laundry Shop. Merong notification na magpapadala sa'yo. So, yung mga features na kinarate mo, nakita mo ginagamit nila, tapos sinishare pa nila sa'yo.
Actually, may na-try na ako ng ganyan laundry. Baka kayo pala yung technology behind that.
Baka send naman na notification.
Amazing.
Yeah. Mostly mga customer namin na mga nandito sa Makati, Taguig, Metro Manila area.
Possible.
Miller.